to the channel. Since Valentine's Day is just right around the corner, I thought of doing a hairstyle look for you guys. As you all know, I'm a big fan of like curling my hair with curling irons, and you guys always ask me how I do it. So today in this video, I hope I will be of some help to you guys. So, hair color that I always use for such big romantic curls is the Vodana Glamwave curling iron. This one is in the 40mm one. So I will link it in the description box below where I got this one from, and you guys can also purchase it from there. I've already heated it up to 180 degrees Celsius. This hair color is really like large in barrel size. So Vodana actually have like a few different sizes, and this one is the largest one, which is 40mm. I think it's really good for those people who like to create that very big loose curls that are super natural. And for Valentine's Day, that is the kind of look that I'm going for this year. Let's start. I personally don't like to put that many products before I actually curl my hair. In fact, I wash my hair the night before and put on some hair serum as well as a heat protectant and dry it, then go to bed, and when I wake up the next morning, I will start curling it straight away. If your hair is not 100% dry, you actually won't be able to get very good results with curls. So for this particular hairstyle, it's very simple. I'm just taking this barrel, curling it kind of outwards and upwards like this. I'll do one curl this way, and I'll get a wave like this. I'll leave it to the back, and I'll repeat this for the rest of my hair. Alright, then let's release the top half of our hair. Same thing. Okay, so for the top half of our hair, I'm going to just start from higher a little bit, and I'll start curling outwards like this. Then what I'll do is I will release one section and continue to curl. So by doing so, you will get a more kind of like a wave rather than a curl, and that's kind of what we are looking for, like this, something like a screw, you know, rather than a curl. Same thing for here. I'm just going to take little sections. For the fringe, I'm kind of keeping a little bit of distance so that it doesn't, you know, be too curly right at the front. So this is one side done. Now moving on to the other side. Okay, now that our hair is kind of done curling, what I want to do right now is to add more volume to the top and to some areas like this where you can see, like, you know, it kind of falls a little bit flat. So I want to increase the volume over here for this particular piece, and I'll go in again to just give it a little bit more curl. And to give your hair a lot more volume, this is a little tip. You want to take very small tiny sections, like around this much, and only curl these. And once you're done, you want to just run your fingers through. Put a little bit more volume over here. At this juncture, you can either put some dry shampoo at your roots for it to look more voluminous, or you can just go in with a hairspray, because usually with such big loose curls, the curls will actually tend to die quite early throughout the day. And there you have it, very, very easy romantic curls for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, join the fam, and turn on the notifications button because you don't want to miss out on all of the other videos that we will be putting out next. And if you haven't checked out my Valentine's Day makeup look, this makeup look, you can also click on this card over here or check the description box below. I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, happy Valentine's Day!